Hello guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video guys, I will be showing you how you can add a fade out effect to the music you add into your videos through the Inshot editing app. Now it's quite easy, so let's get right into it without wasting any time. As you can see, this is the screen that pops up when you open up the app. You have these three buttons, and since we're editing a video, what we want to click is the video option in the left. And once you click on that, this is the screen that will pop up. Here you have all your videos that are saved on your device, and what you want to do is pick each one of these, or whichever one of these you want. I'll pick the first one just for example, and now you're taken to your preview screen where you have your video preview in the middle. You have below that, right in the center, the play button, which you can click to play the video, preview any changes you've made. You have this toolbar that you have right here, which has all your toolbar, or rather all your tools for editing. And here down below is the video track, which you use for further editing or selecting a certain frame. And you can add another video by clicking on the plus to the left of it. Now, first we need to add music to actually add a fade out effect. Whichever music you put, it really doesn't matter. Let's say for music, I recently used Smack That, so let's just use that one. Now that that's added from the point, of course, that I chose in the video editing through the, the video track. And yeah, it's added now. And what we want to do to actually make it fade out is click on it. This white outline will appear. And what you want to do is click on edit. And now that it's here, for some reason it's playing automatically. And what you want to do to actually make it fade out is go to this fade out slider in the bottom right, and what you do then is just slide in how many seconds before the end of the music you want it to actually fade out. You just click OK or the check mark after that, and that's pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video.